I don't know, dog. Should be fucking.
Oh, what's up, homie? You recording? What's up, dog? It's your boy Goggles, and we got
that shit out, dog.
we got some black cat firecrackers right here, and we're about to blow the homie nigga up downstairs.
Delivered from Satan himself.
Well, we're kind of debating right now. We should do 1 pack or 2 pack of firecrackers on the stomach.
Let's do 3.
Should we do 2?
Nah. Well, fuck it.
Let's go. Let's do 2, dog. Come on, homies.
Hey, don't fuck up the house, man.
These are loose. Be careful.
I'm gonna tie them together, dog. Come on.